Hi everyone, welcome back to Infinite Builds. This time I am building the Red Carnation. This flower is from the Rowood Flower collection. I find this flower easier to build compared to the other flowers in the kits because of its simplicity when it comes to assembly. And if you look at the petal closely, it's actually much simpler than the rest of the other flowers like the red camellia or the lilac. This red carnation symbolizes fascination, distinction, and love. With that being said, let me show you how to build this flower.